My fastest time for solving a Rubik's Cube was never. My clumsy fingers weren't crafted for that endeavor, but I do have experience with colors. I live them every day as I try to stay busy. My mind is red, alert, on fire. Stop asking me questions, please, because I don't know the answer. It doesn't matter. I'm busy, busy, busy. The pills are white, like paper made from pressed snowflakes. Love letters to my mind, thawing on the way down. Yes, they're busy, busy, busy. If anyone asks, I'm yellow, bright, a lighthouse to help you, which is good because I lost my compass, and so very cautious to not let on that even though on the outside I'm tall, inside I've never felt so small. You know what else is yellow? Bees, and I like them, because they're like me, busy, busy, busy. Hey, aren't you glad I wasn't honest when you asked me how I was doing? Otherwise, we'd be here all day. But listen, I gotta go. I'm busy, busy, busy. Anxiety makes me green. I am sick of being this way, reminded day after day that I am not okay, but I do have it under control by staying busy. And even when I try my best, everything is blue, and I don't know why. Being busy has never given me a rainbow, and I usually don't unravel like this, but something about the way you seem to be colorblind makes me feel safe. So even though I'm busy,